Hi, it's Joe Himmelly, and I'm looking at property in Southern Virginia, and I came across something that I have to show you. It's right here, and it's called a monitor top refrigerator. It's called a monitor top refrigerator because of this detail here. This is where the coolant was stored, and this looks like the turret on a ship called the USS Monitor, and that's why it has the name monitor top refrigerator. These were designed to look like furniture, and you'll notice that it has feet at the bottom of the refrigerator. It also has very heavy stainless handles, and another really nice detail inside is here's the original freezer, and it still has its original ice tray. Right beside the monitor, you'll see this is the on-off switch. It was push button, and here is a little dial where you can control the temperature.